This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable the bookmarks bar in the Microsoft Edge web browser. I'll be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Edge here. Okay, I have the Edge web browser open now. To enable the bookmarks bar in the Microsoft Edge web browser, first thing you want to do is go up to the three-dot hamburger menu in the upper right hand corner. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings, and you want to click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Appearance. Then in the center pane you want to scroll down to where you see the Customize Toolbar area, and right down here Show Favorites bar. By default, it is set to only on new tabs. If you open a new tab, it'll show your bookmark bar. But to enable it, click the drop down here and just click on Always. Now, as you can see up top here, my bookmark bar has appeared now. And any web page that I go to, my bookmark bar will be there. That is how you enable your bookmarks bar in the Microsoft Edge web browser. Thanks for watching.